In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide favorite toolbar in Tradingview. If you use drawing tools a lot, having your favorites just a click away can make your charting faster and more consistent. The Favorite Drawing Tools toolbar is a compact strip that holds the tools you've marked as favorites, so you don't have to dig through menus while analyzing a chart. First, look to the left-hand side of your Tradingview chart. That vertical area is your main drawing toolbar. To quickly bring up or tuck away your favorites, click the star icon on that left-hand toolbar. Think of this as your on-off switch for the Favorite Drawing Tools toolbar. Click it once to show the favorites. Click it again to hide them when you want a cleaner workspace. If you are a fan of keyboard shortcuts, T here is an even faster way. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus H to toggle the Favorite Drawing Tools toolbar. This works as a show and hide shortcut, so you can tap it whenever you need your favorite tools and tap again to clear the view. It's great when you are in the middle of a workflow and don't want to break your focus by mousing around. You can also hide the favorites directly from the interface with a quick right-click. Right-click on the toolbar and choose Hide Favorite Drawing Tools toolbar. This is handy if you've got it open and want to dismiss it without moving your cursor back to the star icon or using the shortcut. Now, a quick note about when the favorites show up in the first place. The Favorite Drawing Tools toolbar appears automatically once you star a drawing tool. Starring a tool means marking it as a favorite, so it's pinned to that toolbar for quick access. In the left-hand toolbar where your drawing tools live, hover over the tool you use often and click the small star next to it. As soon as you do, the Favorites toolbar will pop up with that tool included. If you don't see the Favorites toolbar, it usually means you haven't starred any tools yet. Star 1, and you are good to go. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth: only star the tools you reach for all the time to keep the favorites strip tidy.